Hi, happy to see you with another episode. I hope you enjoy all my recipes, and if you really enjoy, I hope you will be happy to see me doing another program today, and that's going to be, it is date and nut chocolate cake. So we will see how we are going to make it. We need dates and chocolate and cooking chocolate. I will be using about 225 grams of sugar and I need butter. Butter I need about 200 grams. Now I have got 3 eggs. So now what I am going to do is I will start beating this butter and the sugar. And the sugar I am beating, I would love to use 1 egg first. 3 eggs I am going to use, 3 eggs, but I will use one at a time. One at a time. Keep beating this. Slowly increase. Do not increase immediately. It's nicely creamed now. Once it is creamed, we will push it onto a side, the beater. And what I am going to do is, I will take the flour. I added a little salt into the flour, a little salt, right? Then bicarbonate of soda, I need a pinch of it. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I am going to use cocoa into this. So we'll use 1, 2, 3 teaspoons of cocoa also I have used. So first thing I am going to put all this to sift it together. So we will sift all this together first. Before we start beating, we have to mix this well. Otherwise it will splash off. You have to beat it vigorously once more. That's more than enough now. Into this, I am going to add the dates. I have chopped the dates and kept it. This we will add it. The dates. 150 grams of dates I have taken. Add it. Mix it well. One more beating here because the dates have to get nicely mixed. Okay. Now we have mixed everything together. I am going to add the cashew nuts. Then cooking chocolate. I need the cooking chocolate which I have to grate it straight away. About 60 to 90 grams of cooking chocolate I can use. Another thing that I have to use is 1 teaspoon vanilla. If you have chocolate essence, use it. If you don't have chocolate essence, just forget about it. Mix it well. Now everything is ready for us. Now what I am going to do is, we'll keep this aside and I take the tray, put a little butter. How will I butter it? See the tray, just put a little butter so that the oil paper won't keep moving. Then what I do is, I put for the oil paper also. Now we will put this mixture. I hope you know how to use this cake mixture. I am going to bake it now. This I have taken into 8 by 8 square cake tray and we are going to bake 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit and bake for 45 minutes. We'll bake this cake for 45 minutes and take it. We'll see how it comes. Date nutty chocolate cake is ready. I feel like tasting it, but I'll do the topping and then we will taste. So to do the topping, what I have to do is, first thing I put a little water in a large pan and I keep another small pan inside. Into the small pan I am putting the cooking chocolate. just crush the cooking chocolate, which I have taken about 100 grams of cooking chocolate. The chocolate has to get melted, right? Slowly it is getting melted. I need a little butter added into this, it will be better. So roughly I will use about 30 grams of butter. Slowly I will take out of the cooker so that it will be easy for me to mix it. Once it is melted, I don't need the hot water. So we will take the hot water away and take only this mixture and start creaming it. While this is being creamed, I need a little icing sugar, 4 dessert spoons. Now I will be using whipping cream into this. Say roughly I need 1.5 cups of whipping cream into this. Now I need a little essence. I won't mix it well, so I'll put a little vanilla essence. Mix it nicely. Okay, my mixture is ready and I'm going to put it onto my cake. This is the topping that I am using. I didn't mix it well. I want a little bit of whipping cream, that is white shown whipping cream. See, like a marble effect. Just give it nicely. Now I said nutty, so I have a few almonds to put and a little cherries also to make it colorful. Now my date nutty chocolate cake is ready. You can serve it immediately or you can keep and serve it tomorrow or day after. Whenever you want you can serve it. So you can make this and see how it comes. I love you because I love to make things like this for you because you yourself enjoy my cakes. And hope to see you soon. Bye from me.